This video will serve as an introduction to how to work through this web quest. On every page where there is text you must read, right above that text will be an audio file. You can press play and it will read the text to you. This is found on the introduction page. It's also found on the task page above each option. It's found above each direction on the procedure page. It's also found on the conclusion page. You have two tasks to choose from, which you will choose your finished product with. And the evaluation page has a rubric that will be used to grade. I want to show you something on the introduction page. Whenever you come across a term you may not know, some academic vocabulary, it's underlined. If you click that term, it will take you to a glossary you can use. I also want to point out something else. If you look on the procedure page, there are links. The links are going to be blue and underlined. If you click those, it will take you where you need to go.